Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is eBike Scott, and if you guys don't know about Endless Sphere, you should by now if you're following me or my channel, but it's an awesome do-it-yourself electric vehicle forum, and you guys should be a part of it if you're interested in doing what we do here and building EVs. This is a quick overview of my Kuberg page where I built up the extended swing arm. My brother helped me weld it on, and this is the entire process of the ground up build. There he is welding it in my shop at my work, and I'm just building it up with regular mountain bike wheels. We switched to moto wheels eventually, and then we ended up adding more batteries and more power and lots of things that we figured out. This is the end result, and I'm pretty happy with it. Running off 18 cell LIPO multi-stars.
I saw him trying to brake with his foot.
Yeah, because it's not there. It's hard to get used to. It's scary. Yeah, oh yeah. I bet that made him pucker up. It's hard because the throttle's so different.
Yeah, and then you gotta like help your tilt.
Yeah, and then the balance point's so sketchy, then you need to start braking.
Balance point's about a mile up.
Yeah, and then the second you let off the gas, you slam back down. It's real hard to get it. Man, he's fucking hauling.
Dude, I keep wanting to hit my foot, like for the back brake.
Yeah, with the back brakes on the same side as the throttle. So it's real hard. If anything, I gotta turn them around to the back from the left so you can control the brake while you're hitting the gas.
Quick shout out to DanGT, Endless Sphere forum member, who supplied me with the extended dropouts we welded, and of course my brother Ben for welding. I wouldn't have been able to do it without you. Thanks a lot, man.